Malaysia street coconut water. Wait, where you go with that tourist lad? Brother, where your machete there? No, sir. Start from scratch. Let me see how you do that. Blood clot. That's some engineering type shit, this, the blood clot. So how you get the water out? I'm guessing the hole where you just boring it. No, sir. I've seen so many ways to cut a coconut, but I've never seen it like this before. Raslat. I know how him bust it open now. Nothing now waste, you know. A little thing that look like big blood clot scissors. Wow. Nice. Rate this. Rate this. Him not create no mess. That process, yeah. That one I like, that one, yeah. I'm back putting on some bag. You take 3 of them there.